Hey, what's up? Are you a millionaire? No? Me neither. And I welcome you to join me on becoming one. In this video, we're gonna review most popular tips to become a millionaire. If you are new to the channel, my name is Ken. Here I talk about personal finance and investments. Make sure to trade the like button and invest in subscription to the channel for more videos. You're also welcome to support the channel. All the links are down in the description. Becoming a millionaire may seem out of your reach, but it's possible with the right attitude and guidance. The fact of the matter is your income can only grow as quickly as you do. So you need to change your mindset to achieve your goal of becoming a millionaire. Once you have a millionaire mind, you can't lose it, no matter what financial or business mistakes you make along the way. To get yourself there, you're going to need some structure. To help you, I've gathered the top 10 tips you should follow to become a millionaire. First one would be evaluating your current financial status. Don't you agree? You can grow if you don't know where you currently stand. So it's time for you to put everything on paper. By physically seeing where you stand, you can make the appropriate changes to achieve your financial goals. You need to be clear about the amount you earn versus the amount you spend and create a financial plan that will help guide your next steps. If creating this plan has made you realize you aren't satisfied with both of your income or your spending habits, don't get discouraged. This is a step towards making positive changes. When creating your future plan, you need to know your full income, establish how much you spend, be clear about where you could save, use a tool to track your financials, and write down your financial and lifestyle goals. Second tip is to work on increasing your current income. Once you've created your plan and listed your financial and lifestyle goals, it's time to work out how you are going to achieve them. Realistically, you aren't going to become a millionaire by cutting back on your daily coffee. You need to work out how you are going to grow your current income. Firstly, look at opportunities with your current employer. Maybe there is a promotion up for grabs or a new position within your company that would suit you better while offering you a higher income. Secondly, consider a side hustle that will allow you to regularly generate more money. Third tip is to think about new revenue streams. Millionaires rarely have only one form of revenue. In fact, many of them have more than two. Start small and find a side job that can generate more money for you on a monthly basis. Some options could be like offering your expertise as a freelance consultant, mentoring or teaching, doing guest lectures or blog posts, working a second job part-time, renting the spare room in your home, opening an online store, or running a YouTube channel. And then you gotta get saving. Once you've got your income on track, you need to create a strategy whereby your income is split between your living costs. This includes bills, rent, mortgage, grocery shopping, etc. And then personal expenses, which is like cinema, dinners out, holidays, etc. Savings, and your savings will be split into two accounts. These are your retirement savings plan and emergency savings plan. The best way to organize your finances is to automate them. Once you have established how much you're going to be saving, create direct debits from your current account to these two savings accounts. Schedule your direct debits to leave your current account on the day you get paid to avoid any temptation of spending. Depending on how much you earn, you want to aim to put 5% towards your emergency fund and 10% towards your retirement fund. Or you might just figure out the comfortable percentage for you to start. Next tip, start learning new skills. Learning is about more than enabling you to do your current job properly. It's a way for you to become an expert in your chosen field. Additionally, it's a way for you to discuss topics with other professionals more broadly. Further, it will allow you to become a well-rounded intellectual. Well, you don't have to reapply to go to college to learn new skills. You could simply read more, listen to podcasts, attend events and conferences, or do an online course. And the next sixth tip is about seeking opportunities. Opportunities aren't just going to land on your lap as you sit at your desk during your usual 9-to-5 routine. You have to go out there and get them. You also have to make your name heard so that others think of you as the perfect person when jobs pop up. If you've got a business idea you've been sitting on for a long time because you have to keep your day job to pay the bills, invest your spare time developing it until it starts generating a side income for you. Once it's up and running, it could even become your $1 million baby. Number 7 is becoming more frugal. Rich people don't get their fortune from giving it away and buying fancy cars, at least not in their beginnings. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to start living a more frugal lifestyle. You need to cut down on your spending by avoiding branded products and lavish shopping days. You can also start using coupons, look out for freebies, buy your supermarket's own brand products, start using public transport instead of your car or a taxi service, and cut down on restaurants and cook for your loved ones instead. Next one is about avoiding debt. The best way to become a millionaire is to avoid debt at all costs. A mortgage is an investment into yourself and potentially your family. A credit card bill, on the other hand, is an expenditure you have made without considering whether or not you could pay it back in the first place. Start by treating your credit card as a way out of an emergency rather than a luxury. To get into the right habits, avoid taking it shopping with you and take it off any online shopping accounts you may have. This method will also make you think twice before buying things you simply don't need. Next tip is about embracing nothingness. Being bored is fine. In fact, being bored actually means that you have spare time on your hands, which is a good thing. Aside from stopping you from filling every void with an activity that costs you money, it's also a great way to focus your efforts on more productive matters. When you are bored with nothing to do, you could start meditating to enhance your concentration and clear your mind, or read a book, exercise, or cook a nice meal at home. Tip number 10 is about network. The phrase, "It's not what you know, but who you know," couldn't be truer. You'll often find that successful people associate with equally as successful peers whether or not they are in the same field. As a result, it is key that you start networking with people that have the way with which to catapult you to success. Unfortunately, even if you are the best brain surgeon in the world, nobody will know it unless you tell them. So find out where your industry icons will be and go and meet them. There are a number of ways you can meet successful people, some of which include sending a simple email, using social media to contact them, meeting them at events and conferences, subscribing to their newsletter, attending their webinars, watch great finance YouTube channels, or whatever you would like. Finally, we can't become a millionaire by sitting in the same chair every day until retirement. We need to change our mindset and implement some, if not all, the tips that I told above. Let's start our day with a new sense of drive, discipline, and make the necessary sacrifices that will propel us towards our goals. Let me know in the comments, are you up for becoming a millionaire? Let's do it together. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.